It's summer, and for me that means picnics. I don't care if it's a beach, if it's somebody's backyard, if it's a park. If it's a picnic, I'm there. But there's a few things that you need for every picnic. First thing, a blanket. You gotta park yourself someplace. Blankets. Plates, I love these from Yoshi. They're plastic, they come black, white, clear, all kinds of shapes. They're really sturdy and I love them. If you're going to have appetizers, don't forget little plates for your apps. Cute little forks, love that. Forks and knives, wine glasses. This actually holds an entire bottle of wine, 750 milliliters, all in a thermos. That way you're not bringing glass. But if you are gonna bring glass, don't forget a wine opener. You've gotta have it, and if the wine keys, you know, the things that those waiters use all the time are a little too complicated, they are for me. I love this. Goes either side of the cork, you rock it, twist, pulls the cork out perfectly, and it'll open your beer bottles. It's a 2-for-1. So, bring all of this, then all you need is food.